Hi, I'm Veronica at STASHy, and today I want to teach you the single crochet stitch. Let's talk about single crochet into a regular row. A single crochet into a regular row involves inserting your hook underneath the stitch below, but both parts of it, that V there. See that? You don't want to just pick up the back one or the front one unless it's a specific type of stitch. And you want to position everything in your hands, have your working yarn over your pointer finger, pinch the work below. I like to dig around and make sure that they're both clear, especially as a newer crocheter. And we put the hook in for single crochet, yarn over once, pull through, yarn over a second time, and pull through again. That is a single crochet. I'll show you once more. Tip of the hook in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. Single crochet. And get that last guy. See, it'd be so tricky. In, yarn over, through, yarn over, through two. Single crochet.